Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Today what I'm going to show you is one of my favorite recipes, so let's get started. St. Patrick's Day, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my corned beef and cabbage. So let's get started. So I picked up this package of corned beef, and it's almost 2 pounds. I'll place it in my crock pot along with 1 can of cream of onion soup, and it's a 10.5 ounce can. Along with the cream of onion soup, I'll also put in a 10.5 ounce can of cream of celery, and everything will go right into the crock pot. In the package with the corned beef, they also had this packet of seasonings, so I placed that on top of my corned beef. So along with my soups, I added in a 1/2 can of milk. Now I'll put my lid on. Put my crock pot on high. So now I'll check on my corned beef inside my crock pot. Ooh, that's looking real good. Put the cream of onion and the cream of celery soup over the top. A few more minutes. Now I'll go check on my cabbage. I had 1 small head of cabbage. I diced it up. I placed a whole stick of butter in the pot and put my chopped cabbage inside. So I'll be having corned beef and fried cabbage. Just a few more minutes, my cabbage will be ready. Looks good already. I'll put the lid back on. So now I'll check on my corned beef. It's been in my crock pot now for 3 hours on high. Looks good. I'll remove it. I'll take the corned beef out. Put it on my cutting board. Now I'll cut the corned beef into thin slices. Looks good. Look at how nice that looks. I'll put some corned beef on my plate. I'll put a little of the gravy on top. Now I'll go put some fried cabbage on it. I'll place some fried cabbage on my plate. Now doesn't that look good? Now I'll salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Now I'll give the cabbage a try. Looks good. Nice and tender. I'll take a bite of the corned beef. Put it in the gravy. Perfect bite. This is nice and tender. Really, really good. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching my corned beef and cabbage. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Enjoy. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.